What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the channel, A Gemini Gem. Today is February 24th, 2023, and I will be doing a reading for all the signs, fire, air, earth, and water. Well, all the fire, air, earth, and water signs I'll be doing a reading for. And my message for today is stay positive and remove negative people, thoughts, and actions from your surroundings, okay? Stay positive. It's important to think positive. It's important to stay positive. It's important to say positive things out loud, okay? Now, I just wanted to quickly say something about this tea that I'm having. This tea is awesome. If you are under a lot of stress, if you have anxiety, I would recommend this tea. It's called Tulsi Sweet Rose. You can see there it says stress relieving and magical, okay? Now, I got this at Wegmans. I did not see this in Whole Foods, but they have it in Wegmans. So if you have a Wegmans in your area, you could find the tea there. And you could probably find it on Amazon. But this tea is like, is really good. It really helps me a lot. If I have any anxiety, this helps me so much. And Tulsi is revered in India as the queen of herbs, okay? It's holy basil. So, this has been in use for more than 5,000 years. It aids in stress relief and uplifts your mood. It supports the immune system, and it supports the natural detoxification process. So if you have a lot of stress in your life, if you have anxiety, I recommend this tea, okay? Okay, without further ado, we're going to start with our fire signs. What are the messages for fire signs today? February 24th, 2023. I've been shuffling your cards. Just going to give another quick shuffle and get you some messages. Fire signs. Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo. Okay. The Six of Swords. The Tower. That's right down. Yeah. The Tower. I don't read reversals. And the Seven of Rods. Okay. Wow. So you have air. This is actually Aries energy and fire. So air, Aries, fire. So the Six of Swords, you are literally selling away from what no longer serves you. You're selling away from anything bad, anything not in your favor, anything that doesn't bring joy or happiness to your life, okay? And in the beginning, it's going to be a bit hard, but you're finally going to get to smooth. You're going to be selling on smooth waters, okay? But you need to leave this situation behind. It's not serving you any good. Once you leave that situation, or maybe because of that situation, you have the Tower here. This is karmic, This is destined to happen. This is a foundation that was unstable. And because the foundation is unstable, it can no longer stand. This is, I would say, double confirmation of sailing away for what no longer serves you. Whatever this situation you are in, it's not for your highest good, right? And a lot of times we get complacent and we don't move, we don't change our situation, and we get stagnant, right? Until something happens that makes us move, that almost kind of like levels everything, and then you have to start over. Now, I know this card looks scary, and I know it looks crazy and, the worst thing ever possible, but the Tower is actually a good card. Again, it's karmic. It was destined to happen. Okay, so the Tower is going to wipe everything clean. It's going to knock that unstable foundation down in order to set you on the right path. So you're definitely leaving something behind, for sure, with these two cards. Then you have the Seven of Rods. So you're standing up for what you believe in. You're standing up for leaving these things behind. You're not backing down. You will put up a fight. You will put up a fight no matter what. You believe what you believe, and you believe it's true. And you will not let anyone or anybody change your belief, okay? You're staying strong, and you're standing up for what you believe in. Let's get a few more cards. What is this Seven of Rods? What are you standing up for? Fire signs. What are you standing up for? You're standing up for death. Now again, do not, death is not literal. Death is all about change, okay? Fire sign, you have a lot of change going on in this reading. Think of death as a snake that sheds its skin. You're shedding your skin, you're transitioning, you're leaving definitely things behind, and you're starting new, fresh, okay? You're standing up for this new you, this transition that you're about to go through. And a lot of people don't like change. Excuse me. A lot of people see when you wake up and you change and you realize these things are no longer serving you, they get scared. They get scared, they get nervous. Let them be nervous. You have something else. You have, you're on a different path now. Let them be nervous. So I'm going to get some cards for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What are the messages for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? Move these up. Okay. Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, okay. Air, earth, okay. So pages are, is a very immature energy, a young person, okay. And pages also bring messages. Now, with the Page of Swords, this is this could be somebody's like spying on you, watching you, clocking you, seeing what you're doing, watching you online, keeping tabs on you, right? This is like a creepy stalker card sometimes. And that's what I'm getting. Somebody's watching you, okay? But also the page of swords has the sharpest mind out of the whole deck, okay? Nothing escapes their observation, which is very true, I feel. I don't know about the other air signs, but for Geminis, we see everything, and we may not speak on it right then and there, but we're very observant, okay? We're like investigators. I could probably, like, if I wanted to switch careers, like be like a private PI. That's how thorough we are. But this is like a very clever mindset, okay? This is somebody that also can read between the lines. So you have that energy, and then you have the Four of Pentacles, which talks about being, I mean, the word stingy wants to come out of my mouth, but it's really being careful and smart with your money. And when you're smart and careful with your money, you can come across as being stingy. But you're looking out for your highest good, and you know that you need to make sound and smart financial decisions in order to get to the next level. Okay, so if anybody's asking you for money, and I mean, you have it, but at this time, it just would not be the best move for you to be, giving out money that you already have plans for, then say no. You know what I mean? Because you're smart with your money. You have the King of Pentacles. Please continue to be stingy, air signs, because the King of Pentacles, he's the king, right? You see his castle in the background. You see he's sitting upon his throne. He has a robe of grapes. Grapes are on his robe. Grapes represent fertility, abundance. They say grapes are like one of the most hardest things to grow, right? And he just has that. He has those grapes. He's very smart with his money. He's not just giving his money out for any reason, okay? And because he's made, again, smart decisions, with his money, he is the King of Pentacles, and he's sitting on his throne, right? And he's not really concerned, right? He knows he's abundant. He knows he's the top dog, but he's only that because he made smart financial decisions. Okay, air signs. What is this Page of Swords? Who is stalking us, air signs? Who's stalking? Get a life, right? Okay, the Three of Cups. So there could be some sort of third-party situation going on here. The Three of Cups is usually about celebration, right? Getting together with friends and family and really doing it up, toasting it up, cheersing it up. But if I'm clarifying the Page of Swords with the Three of Cups, this could also, when you talk about the Three of Cups, it could talk about a third party situation. So I don't know if you're in a romantic relationship and there's another woman or man on the side that you don't know about, and they're possibly stalking you, watching you. I don't know. I don't want to get too creepy with it, but that's what I'm kind of getting. So, air signs, if your intuition is telling you something about your partner, you better listen. Your intuition will never steer you wrong. Straight up. All right, let's get some messages for Earth signs. Move these up. Okay. Queen of Rods. The Eight of Pentacles. And the Ace of Swords. Okay. So you have fire, earth, and air. Okay. So earth signs, the Queen of Rods, she is a very confident, go-getting woman who doesn't, I don't want to say who doesn't take any, BS, but look at her face. She doesn't look like a social butterfly, but she really is. She likes to be around, people, and she can control and command a room. She's very about her business. Whatever she sets her mind to, she's going to get. Very determined. I don't want to say cocky, but very confident, okay? So you might be going after something, okay? And you have this energy of being very confident and, almost like the it girl, right? Everybody's checking for you, but you are keeping your head down and you're working really hard. This is the Eight of Pentacles. You kind of like, I don't know, this is like almost two conflicting energies, right? Because this is the social butterfly, the Queen of Rods, and the Eight of Swords. You've literally locked yourself away and you're focusing on work. Okay? You got your head down. You're not worried about what's going on outside. Your phone is ringing. You're not answering it. You got emails you haven't even checked. You're focused on your craft and you shut the world out. Now, this is confirmation, the Ace of Swords, that's going to be victory, okay? Look at the reef. The reef represents victory, right? Okay, then you see the hand coming out of the cloud. That represents a gift from the divine, a gift from God, right? Aces are about new opportunities, new beginnings. The Ace of Swords is a very, how can I say this? It's a brilliant idea. This is a very successful, brilliant idea that you thought of. This also represents success and achievement, okay? This is victory, like you totally nailed it, okay? So whatever this you've been working on, your craft, it's going to pay off. It's going to be very successful, okay? Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Clarify the Eight of Pentacles, please. Seven of Swords. Well, the Seven of Swords is a very sneaky, underhanded, bitch ass energy. Look at this evil thing. He's taken 5 swords, right? He's left 2, and he is just trying to, or is getting away, right? Nobody really notices him, but he's leaving with these swords that don't belong to him. Seven of Swords just leaves a really bad taste in my mouth no matter what, you know what I mean? This is just some very underhanded, sneaky business going on here. I don't know if something that you've been working on as far as your skill and your talent, if somebody has been trying to take credit for it, but it seems like they're not going to be successful in fully doing that because you are victorious here with the Eight of Swords. Okay, let's get some messages for water. What are my messages for water signs? Okay. Whoa. Seven of Swords again. Okay. The Tower. Three of Rods. Huh. Okay. Okay, so again, we just talked about the Seven of Swords. Look, he's in the middle of the night or whatever he's doing, dawn or whatever you want to call it. It's probably like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, right? He's trying to sneak away with the swords. He left 2, and he's looking behind like, oh, nobody sees me. There's 2 guards right there. They don't even notice him. He's a sneaky, clever, underhanded piece of you know what. Trying to or has gotten away with something. But we have the Tower, right? Excuse me. And we all know, I just spoke on the Tower. This is karmic, okay? Now, whoever's trying to or has taken something from you, this is leading to a Tower situation where you're going to start over new. You're starting over new. The situation is messed up, I feel, really. But you have the last laugh because the Three of Rods. Oh, I'm sorry. This is air, Aries, and then fire. The Three of Rods talks about you put in that work, and you're now waiting for the rewards to come in. You're waiting for your ships to come in. So this Tower puts you on some sort of path where you're waiting for rewards. The fruit of your labor to come in. Okay. Clarify the Tower. What's the Tower about? Okay, take it. Okay, again, this is weird because the same situation for fire signs is happening for water. So you're definitely selling away. This is double confirmation. You're getting away for what no longer serves you, okay? And you're waiting for your ships to come in. So for Fire signs, what you don't see coming is strength. This is Leo energy, okay? You definitely have overcome a lot of challenges, and you, so to speak, have tamed the beast, right? You're friends with this lion. Okay, you've been through struggle, you've been through ups and downs, and you overcame it all. You're brave, you definitely have strength, and you've overcome a lot. That's what you don't see coming, okay? So for air signs, what you don't see coming, wow, everybody is just, everybody is sailing away from what no longer serves them. You're moving on, okay? You're getting away, you're moving on. It's going to be hard in the beginning, but then you're going to be on calm, smooth water, air sign. Okay. And then earth sign, what you don't see coming. The moon, some sort of secret being revealed. Some sort of secret being revealed. Something being brought to the forefront, to the light. That's been hidden, but now it's coming. It's coming to, the truth is coming out, okay? And then water signs, okay? The ace of rods. Again, aces, new beginnings, new opportunities. This is some sort of vision you've been having. This is some sort of bright idea. Again, a gift from the divine, some sort of blessing from God, from up above, okay? A spark of desire of a new career, or some sort of energy like that. This is like an electric, energetic passion, okay? Now let's get one last card for everyone, and I'll end the reading after that. Okay. Heron, patience. Create a place in nature's stillness and be renewed. Take time alone to find balance. Step confidently towards your purpose. Patience will bring you rewards. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. All right. I hope this reading has brought you clarity. All of my fire, air, earth, and water signs, please drop a comment and let me know if it has. Until the next time, continue to stay positive. Peace.